Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find exported CapCut videos on your PC. So first of all, I will show you how to find the default location of where videos are exported to from CapCut, and secondly, I will show you how you can go and change that location. So all you want to do is go and click on the search bar at the bottom of your computer and you want to type in percentage app data percentage all one phrase just like that, and then you should be able to go and click on the file folder option just here, and then your file explorer will open up. You then need to go to the top and go select app data because it takes us to the roaming folder, but in fact we need to go to the local folder. So go and click on local and then go down to CapCut. Just here you may need to scroll down to find that, and then there should be a videos folder. So go and click that and you should then see the videos which you've exported from CapCut if they were being saved to this location. If you want to frequently access this folder, then what I recommend you to do is come to the top of your file explorer, click on CapCut, and then you've got the videos folder here, and then click and drag on the folder and you can go and add it to quick access, and then you can click here and you will be taken straight to the folder. What you can also do is when you are exporting the video in CapCut, you go to the top right, click on export, and then you can actually go and click on export to, and if you go over to the right you can click on this file icon and you can choose where it's saved. So you can go and save it somewhere which is easier to access, like your videos folder here, and then you can press select and then they will be rendered there. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.